Hello and welcome to my Sunday Front. Today we have a haul and we're just gonna open this up and see what's in here. And I just want to take my time with this haul and just get through all these packages. So the first thing I got was a little scarf, and it's Hermes dupe, and I got this for $4. And I got this for my hat, my cowboy hat. And it's just a scarf that you just tie around the hat or whatever. I thought it was for a purse, but it's like literally really pretty and long. And it has like all these coaches and horses. And I think it's really cute. And this is just a generic brand, but it's actually, I think it's like affordable, like silky. They have a lot of silky scarves and stuff. So I bought a lot from that brand. And then I got here, let's see. I got here, this is a gift. This is just a bunch of like random set of rings. And they're gold with like gems and stuff in them. And then I got lycopene. Because it's like a good supplement to take for kind of like antioxidants. It's like really, it's like the top one that I can think of, and I really like it, so I bought it. And here is a larger package. Kind of scared to see what's in here. Oh, so this is a pashmina, also from the brand Extreme. And then I got a necklace with a few different gems on it, which is really cute. It's in the color silver. It's a choker. And it has like a vintage steampunk look to it. I'm really excited to see that. And as far as the pashmina goes, it's also, I believe it's also a Hermes dupe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's like I think the print on some of these things are kind of like, either you really like equestrian stuff or it's an Hermes dupe, right? And I love equestrian stuff and I love Hermes, but this is so soft, like not even playing with you, and so pretty. Let me try to open it so you can see. It's I think that's the inside. This is like a print, you can see, and it's so soft, like it feels very luxury, but I don't know, it's just kind of, it's kind of how do you call it, I don't know, I think it's cute, like with the coat in the wintertime it would be really cute, but I don't know, I'm just used to my pashminas and they're really kind of a specific. Now I have another one. This is cereal. So I have a box of cereal, and it's the new Pebble cereal. I don't know if you guys have heard of this. It's brand new. It's cinnamon pebbles. And then let me open a box. See what's in here. See what we got. So the first thing is this Joy Motion, and I had bought tank tops, but they didn't fit it. So put this aside for my mom, and these I bought. These are, I think, children's size, like the capris I bought from them, but they're just like little baby doll tees. And I got in beige, I got in gray, and I love this color. I got all these casual colors, just very kind of neutral, you know. And of course I got the black. And they're pretty long, like if you like tees to go down to below your waist, these are really good. This is Joy Motion. But like I said, these are the children's section. And these actually were very affordable. These were like $4, and they were like, I don't know, maybe around $5. So I'm kind of proud of finding deals like that. I got polarized sunglasses because I really like to have polarized sunglasses on hand. And these are really cute. These were $4 as well. It's funny, and those cereals were like $4 with the coupon. But these I snagged up because they were on sale. And let's remove this plastic really carefully. They usually come with like a guide that tells you what the polarization. You see how cute that is? And I like the color that, you know, like whenever you get polarized something, it always comes with like a little thing, so that way you can like see if it's truly polarized. You couldn't see it otherwise. So that's why I like those. And then I got these, which I'm kind of disappointed. I thought these were bigger, but I don't know why I care. These are 12 ounces. For 12 ounces, it's like $9. Premier Protein. This is lemon lime soda with 15 grams of whey protein in it. And I thought this was really cool because, like, if you're dieting, you're not trying to gain weight. This is not a mass gainer, so I thought it was perfect. It's only got 90 calories. You know, there's some shakes that have only 90 calories, but for me, it's just kind of like drinking a shake. It's like a milk, you know what I mean? Like it's a milk, heavy, thick liquid, as opposed to a refreshing drink like soda pop. So for me, this is really cool. I bought my mom a dress, and the dress was like $8. And it's like a formal. I got a dress like this too for the same price, because at the time they were priced the same. As you can see, it's got like a nude mesh, and it's sleeveless. It's really pretty. And sequins all the way down. It's a maxi dress. This one I found. This one was really cute. It's I think this one was like $7. I don't usually pay this much for clothes, but this was such a pretty color and it's like a design that I really liked. I have another dress like this, but it's really fancy, and this one is very much more casual. And actually, I think it's a romper. Let me check. Yeah, it's a romper. It's like shorts. So it's a little bit more casual than I thought. I mean, it's still cute. Like, I wear rompers out. I'm a mom. Let's see. Oh, I got this. I really wanted to try it. It's, you know how they were showing mint oil on that TikTok? They were showing mint oil. They also sell pine oil, but I was like, I already have pine because I use pine, lean or something. I use something with pine in it, but this is method, right? Antibacterial, very important. Bathroom cleaner in the fragrance spearmint. Let me open it. I just want to smell it. It just smells like cleaner. Very good. Oh, I got this trimmer. It's like facial hair trimmer, like to do your brows. But I like it to do my sideburns. I like it to do my neck, area, my ear area. Like if you had a lot of pregnancies and you get velo, then you understand what I mean. But this comes with the charger. It comes with the little how do you call it? It's like what is it called? A guard? Trimmer guard? And it's like, it was only like what, $5. It was really cheap. It was like probably less than that. So that's the trimmer part. And this is actually, you can use this for your ears or your nose. Let me not break it. And I thought it was really cute because they're usually like $8. Let's see what's in the other box. In the other box. Oh, this is like a little, you see these bows? This is actually, I think it's 2 shams, and I'm not going to open it, but it's 2 shams and a comforter, a king size, and I got it for $10. It was like 9 something with a coupon, and I was like, I need that because my mom comes over and stuff, and I don't have anything to offer her, so I'll just keep this just in case. But I think this is really good, this particular haul, because like, like I've been finding things that actually can use and I really need, like these tops and things that are really, really, really not, costly, but actually look really good. Like they're pretty decent looking and stuff. And I feel like, to me, as a parent, I think it's like, it's a big difference, like when you're shopping and you can't find nothing that you actually could use, but it looks good, or per se, it's affordable, but it's not that great. You know what I mean? Like you can tell you cut your budget. And I like to keep up with the Joneses. I get FOMO very easily. So for me, cutting budget or not, You know what I mean? I just want what I want. I'm just, you know, a girl. And, you know, if I want my little things, you know, it should be affordable, you know? In my opinion. I don't know why everybody can't, you know, everybody can't win. But thank you for watching my haul. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. My Sunday Fram. Bye-bye.